Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside TikTok, so tap your profile, then the top right menu to reach Settings and Privacy. Once there, you navigate to Account and Privacy to find content controls. This step matters because outdated apps hide options. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. From this location, you'll access both Watch Preferences and Restricted Mode. Now that you're in Settings, keep the app open and follow the next steps to refine what the For You feed shows you. You now refine the feed. Open Content Preferences, Recommendations, or the For You controls depending on your app version. Tap Interest to add or remove topics so TikTok understands what to surface. You do this because explicit signals beat guessing. Use the three-dot menu on videos to mark Not Interested or Hide to remove repeats. Once done, adjust language and category toggles to reduce unwanted content. Repeat these actions over several sessions, so the algorithm relearns your tastes more accurately and faster. To finalize, exit Settings and watch a few videos to let TikTok register your new inputs. The algorithm needs those signals. If changes don't stick, clear the app cache, force close, and reopen or update the app. Make sure restricted mode or safety settings are set correctly if you want stricter filtering. If problematic content persists, use Not Interested repeatedly and submit feedback through support. One troubleshooting tip: if recommendations remain off, sign out and back in or reinstall. That often forces a full preference refresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.